Okay, today we're making another different type of lunch. These are flash frozen vegetables. This is salsa roasted red pepper hummus and 2 potatoes. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook these in the microwave for 5 minutes. And then we're going to top them with salsa and we're going to defrost these vegetables for my lunch today. Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio. So step 1, what do we do first? We wash them. So I'm going to quickly show you how I just simply going to rinse them off. I use a sponge with a scourer like this, and then you just kind of clean the outside because I like to eat the skins. So while the microwave is defrosting my vegetables, I'm just going to quickly wash these potatoes, make sure there's no grime on any of them, in this blue strainer. And originally I started with 2 and I started thinking, well, I was a little hungrier than I normally am, so I'm going to wash these 3. Place it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Okay, so your potatoes just came out of the microwave. Put them through and you'll instantly that these potatoes are ready to go. Okay, what's the next step? You're going to cut them open and use the cutting board for that. And then you're just going to put the vegetables on the plate. What you're doing that's different is instead of adding butter, or in my case margarine, you're going to add hummus on the potatoes. You can do it like this. You could use a butter knife, that's quite a bit there. And it's going to give the potato a lot of flavor. Sometimes what I do is I also put it on the vegetables themselves.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.